Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Ever found yourself needing to switch from portrait to landscape in Google Docs? Or the other way around? It can feel a bit tricky at first. But trust me, this is actually one of the easiest things you can do once you know this simple trick. Now, in this example, I have a 6-page Google Docs document open. And I want pages 2, 4, and 5 to be in landscape, while the rest stay in portrait. Let's take it step by step, nice and easy. We'll start with page 2. Go ahead and select all the content on page 2 that you want to change. Once you've selected it, just right-click on the highlighted area. A drop-down menu will appear, and here's the magic part. Look for the option that says Change Page Orientation to Landscape. Go ahead, click on it. And just like that, your selected content is now on a landscape page. Simple, clean, and very effective. Now, you might notice something small here. There's usually a blank space or an extra gap above the landscape page. Let's fix that quickly. Just move your cursor to the very beginning of the landscape page, click there, and press backspace on your keyboard. And just like that, the extra space disappears. Perfect. Now your document looks neat and everything else remains unchanged. All right, let's move on to pages 4 and 5. This time, select all the content across both pages. Once selected, right-click again, and just like before, choose Change Page Orientation to Landscape. Boom, both pages are now in landscape. And yes, if you see that extra space again, just use the same backspace trick to remove it. This method is especially useful when working with wide tables, large images, or anything that needs more horizontal space. Now here's something even better. You can also reverse the process. Let's say you want to change a landscape page back to portrait. Just select the content on that page, right-click, and this time, you'll see Change Page Orientation to Portrait. Click it, and you're back to portrait mode. Super simple, super powerful, and definitely a time saver. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple and practical tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.